Hi guys, medyo lumagpas na tayo. Dito tayo sa parang ulan. Buti na lang may payong ako. Dito tayo sa uptown. Ayan. So, pupunta tayong church. Aba, parang uulan. So, let's go guys. Mag-charge tayo. Medyo na-late na tayo ng ilang minuto. Tagal kasi ng bus eh. Ayan, let's go. So, konting view muna sa magandang building dito sa uptown. Ayan. Oh, 'di ba, Pak? Ang ganda ng mga building dito, guys. Oh, 'di ba? Yan. Daming building dito, sobrang laki. Ang hahaba pa. So, let's go. Itong mga nagpa-park na 'to, mga nagcha-charge 'yan. Parang malakas yung ulan, guys. Sobrang dilim. Hi, bird. Hi. Ang cute ng bird. So, okay lang pag umulan, may payong tayo. Tapos punta na lang tayo market. Doon na lang mag-stay ng hanggang uwian. Mag-start na yung mass. Ayan, marami namang bus ditong dumadaan. Dati pumunta pa ako doon sa may Jollibee banda. Kasi nga, hindi ko alam kung saan ang mga bus dadaan eh. So dito pala ay maraming bus na dadaan. Sa gilid mismo ng church. Good morning! Blessed Sunday everybody! St. Michael, the Archangel Parish Church. So dahan-dahan tayo maglakad kasi baka mamaya hindi pa talaga inuulan, guys. Hinintay ako makapasok sa church. Yeah. Okay, let's go. There's the church. So, yan, St. Michael, the Archangel Parish Church. Bibidyo natin yan. Yan. So, let's go, guys. Pasok na tayo. Church time. Lagi talaga tayo mag-church, guys, kasi siyempre tatayo na lang tayo dito sa gilid.
He granted the request of the younger son.
Good morning. Oo.
This Lenten season,
Pwede? Sige po. Thank you.
it's good to ask ourselves this question.
Bait naman ni ate.
What is more important really in our
Thank,
lives?
thank you, ma'am.
Is it the gift
Ay, sorry.
or is it the giver of the gift? Mas importante ba sa atin ang mga biyaya ng Diyos o ang Diyos ng mga biyaya? Bendisyon o relasyon?
Oops.
The consecrated host either by extending your thumb or by the hand, with palm up, one hand over the other. Once received, please consume the host promptly and reverently in front of the altar. Please do not bring it to your seat nor give it to anyone. Thank you for your cooperation. our church patio on April 12, Saturday afternoon, and April 13, Sunday. Proceeds for this fundraiser will be the parish social service activities. There will be blessing of palm branches in all masses on Palm Sunday. Kindly note that the last two masses in St. Michael the Archangel Church will be adjusted to 5:30 p.m. and 7 p.m. for the Palm Sunday celebration. Third, all are invited to the Holy Hour of Eucharistic Adoration every first Friday of the month here in St. Michael the Archangel Church at 5:30 a.m., followed by the Holy Mass at 6:30 a.m. Fourth, please be advised that our parish and columbarium offices will be closed on Tuesday, April 1, the Feast of Ramadan, and on Wednesday, April 9, the Day of Valor. Lastly, we once again remind everyone to please check your belongings before leaving. Please help maintain the cleanliness of our church and its surroundings by putting your trash and waste bins outside the church. Thank you, and may God bless you through His holy angels. At this point, we will now have a second collection for the mission appeal today. May we now call on Father James Amelia from the Diocese of Moronga Eastern Samar for his mission appeal.
Good morning, everyone. Morning po. Luluto na po ba kayo? 5 minutes. Let me borrow your 5 minutes. Sabi ko nga kanina during my homily, one of the questions na tinanong sa akin ng bata, saan ba ang Morongan? So I asked the seminarians to do a research sa Google para ipakita yung Morongan. As you can see, Morongan is facing the Pacific Ocean. Kami po ang paboritong daanan ng malalakas na bagyo kagaya ng Super Typhoon Yolanda noong 2013. So ayon here, my bishop decided to send me here for a mission. Sa ngayon po, we are building a home for our elderly and sickly priests in our diocese. Right now we have 86 priests. 77 are active at mayroon po kaming siyam na retired and sickly. Our bishop decided to build a home for them. It's going to be my future residence when I get old. Sinama ko na rin po ang mga seminarista para ma-appreciate po nila na ang future home nila ay produkto ng pagmamahal at generosity ng maraming tao. The building has 4 purposes. Una, it will be a home for our old and sickly priests. A retirement home where priests can still enjoy their twilight years and receive care. For their many years of service to the Mother Church, my bishop believes that they deserve at least a decent home. Pwede po kaming umuwi sa mga pamilya namin. Pero pag tumanda na po kami, wala na rin po ang mga magulang namin at minsan, mas nauulang pa sa amin ang mga kapatid namin. That is why my bishop decided to build a home for us when we grow old. And then second, it will also have a conference hall where we can hold our clergy and lay formations. Dati po, nag-celebrate kami ng mga meetings namin sa mga seminaryo, and it usually disrupts the schedule of our seminarians. And unfortunately, just last year, yung seminaryo po namin, yung high school seminary, ay nasunog po ang social hall at ang chapel. And then pangatlo, it will also serve as and evacuation center for our poor families in times of emergencies and calamities. Sabi ko nga kanina, paborito ko kami naanan ng malalakas na bagyo. Right now, the building is already 40% complete. Thanks to the donations from our local community in Mr. Samar. My bishop decided to send me here to outsource. Kaya kung nandito ako ngayon, I am here to ask or to even beg for your help. Sabi ko nga kanina, we are now in the season of Lent. And one of the challenges in the season of Lent, aside from prayer and fasting, is almsgiving. So I'm hoping and I'm praying that we can be part of your almsgiving this Lenten season. As you can see, I am a very young priest. I am only 7 years old in my priestly ministry. I may be young, but my love for the old priests is very old. I mean, they are like my grandparents, and I treat them as such. I volunteered for this mission appeal kahit alam kong nakakahiya manginig, because I believe that this mission is very noble. Of the 9 retired priests, the oldest in the group, Father Leslie, will turn 90 this coming May, and their youngest, Monsignor Dongdong, will turn 72 this coming November. Most of them, if not all of them, have served the Mother Church for more than 50 years in their priestly ministry. So if ever you wish to extend your help to us, you will place your donations during the second collections, and there are also envelopes with our seminarians at the exits, where the details of the GCash and other ways of donating is also stated in those envelopes at the exits. So other ways of donations is being flashed in our streets right now. And if you have inquiries, I can stay here at the end of the Mass, and you can also contact me in my number. My number is there. That's my personal number. So if you wish to ask questions regarding the appeal, you can just text me or call me. Again, maraming salamat po for your love and support. And on behalf of my Bishop Crispin Vivarez, and all the priests in the Diocese of Borongan, both the active and the retired ones, my sincerest gratitude to everyone for your help, for this giving, for this sharing, for this miracle. Thank you, Bishop Milo, for allowing us to do our mission appeal here in this beautiful church. Thank you, Father George. Thank you to everyone. Tonight I'm going home. I'm going back home to Tacloban, because tomorrow there will be
tapos ng misa, guys. So punta tayo sa altar. Punta tayo sa harap. Mag-bless tayo kay Father. Oh my gosh, dami kasing tao. Hintay ko siyang makalabas. So dito tayo dadaan, medyo maraming tao dito sa harap. Ay, pwede na. Mag-bless tayo kay Father. Ayun, nagpapag-bless si Father. Aray ko. Aray ko. Oops. Ayan, tapos ng misa guys. Iakyatang natin yung ating camera. Baka ayaw nila ng mga pictures. So let's go. Oops. Oops, sorry. Mag-bless tayo kay Father. Ang ganda pa naman ang suot ni Father, pink. So, ayun. Mag-bless tayo, mag-bless. Ayan si Father. Oh. Yung naka-pink guys, yan ang pare. Pare ngayon. So, uwi siya mamaya. Sa Tacloban. Hintay tayo sa turn. Tayo lang dito. Say, focus natin guys. Thank you, Father.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Father. So, ito na guys. Labas na tayo. Okay, let's go. Parang uulan. Nagbibigyo din si ate. So guys, tapos ng misa. Labas na tayo. Danmas. Bye-bye na guys. Dito ko na end yung vlogs. Kasi punta na ako market, parang uulan na. So end vlogs na. Doon na tayo bibili ng pag sa Pagita pag na siya. Yung Holy Week na.